Hi guys, good morning. Ito po yung Zenix 2.0Q Hybrid CVT guys, with a price of 1,991,000. So ngayon guys, ituturuan ko po kayo sa Zenix Hybrid. Dito tayo sa engine. Yan guys, ayun. Ito yung nasa loob ng hood. So guys, even hybrid po tayo guys, but we still have coolant. Yan guys. We have two coolants container. This one for the gasoline engine and this one for the hybrid system. Yan guys. So ito naman guys, ito yung conventional engine natin or gasoline engine. And this one guys, ito yung air intake. And sa ilalim nito guys, andito po nakapwesto yung engine hybrid natin guys. And guys, even naka-hybrid po tayo, but we still have two batteries, the high voltage one and the auxiliary battery. And guys, marami kasing nagtanong kung paano gumagana ang hybrid system ng Toyota. So ngayon guys, layman's term, once pag i-turn on nyo po yung sasakyan guys, ang gagana po ay ang hybrid or yung battery. So wala po kayong maingay na marinig, walang vibration, dahil ang gumagana guys is yung hybrid system ng sasakyan. So ngayon guys, after few minutes, pag naglulubat na yung battery, automatic mag-disengage yung hybrid system natin guys. Doon naman papasok si gasoline engine. So habang gumagana si gasoline engine guys, nag-disengage si hybrid system natin, charge ni gasoline engine natin yung battery. So once pag full charge na yung battery guys, automatic mag-disengage yung gasoline engine natin at papasok naman si hybrid system natin. So, ito po guys. Once pag nasa highway driving tayo guys, or sa expressway, yung takbo natin ay aabot sa 40 kilometers kph. Sabay po silang gagana guys. Hybrid at saka yung gasoline engine natin, kasi kailangan niya ng more energy para maibigyan niya yung performance ng sasakyan. So once pag yung takbo natin guys ay bababa sa 40 kph, 30 kph down, yung gagana naman guys is yung hybrid system natin. So di ba napakatipid ng gasoline. So pag sa highway driving tayo or sa city driving tayo guys, most of the time guys, ang gagana ay ang hybrid system natin. So when it comes sa fuel efficient, talagang matipid ang hybrid guys. Yan po guys. So kung meron pa kayong question guys, wag po kayong mahiyang mag-comment lang po para masagot ko po at magkaroon din ako ng idea sa mga tinatanong niyo po. And then kung gusto niyo pong kumuha ng sasakyan or hybrid guys, for now guys, we give 200,000 cash discount for our Zenix, Camry, Corolla Cross, Yaris Cross, at 300,000 naman for our RAV4. Except Alphard guys, wala po talagang discount si Alphard. So yun lang po guys. For more details, you may call 0915596998. Unlock for Ronnie Impang. And you may also visit at Toyota Alabang para makita nyo yung actual unit ng ating hybrid na mga sasakyan guys. Maraming salamat. God bless and have a nice day.